Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. We will be unboxing a watch today. Like 90% of every other time we unbox something. But before we get to that, wrist check. We have a Tissot T-Navigator, I believe it is. I unboxed this one on the channel. Link to that unboxing right there. But yeah, let's just get to it. Sorry, the address is facing down. I'm putting it upside down so that my address isn't, visible to the 149 people that are currently subscribed to my channel. This is, again, in October, so could be more, could be less. People could quit, who knows. But here we have another Tissot watch. Yeah, I've been looking forward to this one, gotta be honest. Let's just get to it. This is a piece of beauty. So watch I've been looking forward to owning. Did he put the links back on? Because he said he was sized. So let's see. Yeah, there are more links in here. So let's take a good look at this watch. It is the Tissot PRX Powermatic 80. Let me put this down. So it has an 80-hour power reserve, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. It is pre-owned. It is pre-owned. That much is. I got it a little bit under retail price because of that. Let's see if it fits as currently measured. No, I'm gonna need to add a link. But the integrated bracelet is pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. It's a little tight, but not too bad. I also anticipated this, and I'm not gonna do it on camera, but I have the tools to add a link, so I will do that. Before that, let's get to look a bit at the face of the watch. This is probably one of the more popular watches in recently. Is this a screw down crown? Oh no, it's not. It is what do you call it? I'm not even sure it has winding. I guess it does. There it went going. So let's just put it at 1010, shall we? There we are. Pretty nice looking watch, I gotta say. Let's get this. Sapphire glass, water resistance to 100 meters. Stainless steel, of course. That's pretty cool. You can see the integrated bracelet. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna pause it and add a link to it. See which side. I'm gonna add a link to this side. All right, so be right back. Welcome back, and here we are. Now it's sized to my wrist. It's a pretty nice bracelet. I gotta say I'm pretty happy. So this watch comes in different face options: blue, black, and white. I was between the black and the blue, but I kind of like this. I kind of like it. Like I've said before, this watch gives me Royal Oak feels. Not the exact face, because it's not an octagonal. It is a sporty kind of thing. sports watch. I'm pretty impressed with this watch. Gotta shine it up a little bit. But it's it looks really nice. Catches the eye quite a bit in my mind. I have no reason wondering why it's so popular. And with an 80-hour power reserve, yeah, there's no doubt as to why this is such a hot commodity. I was actually kind of surprised I was able to get it at the price I did get it, but it is what it is. It wasn't that cheap. I mean, it wasn't cheap at all. It was a little bit under retail. But I had to resize it. Apparently the owner said he had never worn it. I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm still happy with my watch. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think about my new watch? Well, probably going to continue to wear it into the next watch, into the next unboxing. But yeah, I think that's all for today, folks. There we are. I'm pretty happy with this watch. What do y'all think? Let me know. Comment down below. Yeah. Hope you're all enjoying your watches. Take care, everyone. Bye.